In Orange County, tense moments at a stop sign led to a shooting and crash near Apopka.
WESH 2's Paola Tristan Arruda is at the Orange County Sheriff's Office. Paola reports that one man tells us he was grazed by a bullet.
The man says he was in the passenger seat when a person started shooting from another car. Deputies confirm that someone opened fire just before 8 o'clock last night in the area of Rock Springs Road and Pine Street in West Orange County. The passenger tells us that they were behind the alleged shooter's car at a nearby stop sign. After sitting for a while, they blew their horn.
We proceeded to leave. They started following us for about 5 minutes. As we came around from this area, the car then proceeded to pull up on our left side, and the male fired around 2 shots. I'm not sure. I ended up getting grazed. So, I mean, I don't know, happy to be alive, I guess.
He says after they were shot at, they crashed into a guardrail. He said the other car, which appeared to be a gray sedan, drove off. Right now, we don't have much information from the sheriff's office about the shooter. As soon as we learn new details, we'll be sure to update you. Covering Orange County, in Orlando, Paola Tristan Arruda, WESH 2 News.